guys, for today's vlog, I will cook adobo, chicken adobo, which is known in the Philippines, but here I will show you how to cook. Then I have ingredients. I have bay leaves, I have black pepper. Black pepper here guys, a little bit expensive. It is 9 dirham. I don't have any choice, so I need to buy for the ingredients. And now I have also onion. So for onion, I have 2.95. That will be 1 dirham. Right now guys, I have potato, I have garlic. Don't forget to put chili, green chili. So guys, I will show you everything how to cook adobo. Then first, I need to fry the chicken. Then after that, I need to put some ingredients. Now guys, I will start. What's up guys? Right now, I'm gonna put oil. Little bit oil only because you know the chicken. So once you fry the chicken, so there's also oil coming out. I have more also like a soy sauce, vinegar. Then I'm gonna chop now for my ingredients. Like for example, I have onion. I have garlic. Now I will start guys. I will show you how to cook. Now the oil is hot. I will put chicken now inside. So guys, we must put it slowly. I just fried now the chicken. Then while I fry the chicken guys, I need to cut also some ingredients. Alright guys, I'm still fried for the chicken. Then it's still not yet done. Now going to cut this all ingredients, especially potato. Now all ingredients are ready. Then I will check first the chicken if it is cooked. Just trying to mix this one guys. Now it's a little bit brown, so after 3 minutes it will be cooked. Then I have to take it out. Now I'm starting cutting the ingredients. I have potato, I have onion, I have garlic plus bay leaves. Once you cook adobo, much better you will put bay leaves plus black pepper. Put garlic inside. So you have to mix properly. And after 2 minutes, you need to put onion inside. Then mix it. So guys, after you putting this all inside, onion, garlic, then you have to put chicken inside. We have already chicken, we already fried before, so I need to put it inside. Now guys, starting mixing. putting the chicken inside, after you mixing, guys, you need to put black pepper like this. Then you mix it. So you have to mix properly, guys. Then we just wait for 3 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. Then after that, we need to put bay leaves inside. Then you just mix it. After you mix all, then you need to cut the potato. Then after that, you need to put inside. You just fry it along with it. So I'm just cutting now the potato. Now guys, I already cut the potato. I need to put it inside. So just put it properly like this. Then mix it. Alright guys, after you mix this all, then you need to wait 3 to 4 minutes. You just put cap like this. After that, we just open. Then we have to check it. After you putting vinegar inside, guys, so you need to wait 3 to 4 minutes. You just close it. Alright guys, so I'm just putting Ajinomoto inside. Then mix it. So now guys, the chicken is brown. After 3 minutes, it will be ready. I'm just putting like this. Then I will put the cap. There are so many dishes we have to know how to cook, such as chicken curry, beef steak, so whatever guys. By next vlog, I will be going to show how to cook chicken curry. Now guys, it's already cooked. I'm going to set off now this one. So it's already cooked guys. I will taste now. So I'm going to take it, so a little bit only. I will try. So let's try guys. So now guys, I think it's perfect. So as you can see,